Best folding steamer perfectly steamed meals. Steamer baskets are essential for healthy and delicious meals. They let you steam vegetables, fish, and more effortlessly. Folding steamer baskets are especially practical. They fit into various pot sizes and are easy to store. Made from materials like stainless steel or silicone, they are durable and heat-resistant. List number 1. Vegetable Steamer Basket. Experience effortless steaming with the Safine Vegetable Steamer Basket. Made from premium stainless steel, it ensures durability and safety. Its folding and expandable design fits pots from 5.4 to 9.2 inches. Perfect for steaming a variety of vegetables with ease. Enhance your meals with healthy, delicious veggies every time. Easy to use, clean, and store. Advantages: easily fits various pot sizes. Expands from 5.4 to 9.2. Made from premium stainless steel. Durable and rust-resistant. Healthier cooking option. Retains nutrients and flavors in veggies. Simple to clean and store. Compact, foldable design. Perfect for steaming many foods. Vegetables, dumplings, and more. List number 2. Vegetable Steamer. The Veggie Vegetable Steamer Basket is perfect for cooking healthy meals. Its stainless steel design ensures durability and easy cleaning. Collapsible and adjustable, it fits pots from 5.3 to 8.6. Enjoy steaming vegetables, fish, and more effortlessly. The basket's folding feature makes storage simple. Ideal for families seeking nutritious cooking options. Advantages: effortlessly steam veggies with the collapsible steamer basket. This stainless steel steamer fits pots from 5.3 to 8.6. Perfect for healthy cooking. Steaming retains nutrients and flavor. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Space-saving design. The basket folds up for easy storage. Versatile and adjustable. Fits various pot sizes without hassle. Durable and long-lasting. Made from high-quality stainless steel. List number 3. Joseph Bloom Folding. Discover a new way to steam vegetables with the Joseph Bloom Folding Steamer Basket. This green steamer is designed for easy storage, folding neatly to fit in any kitchen drawer. Made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, it ensures safe cooking. Its unique design allows steam to circulate evenly, cooking vegetables to perfection. Cleaning is a breeze with its dishwasher-safe feature. Enjoy delicious, healthy meals with minimal fuss. Advantages: effortless storage makes this steamer basket a kitchen staple. The foldable design saves space, keeping your cupboards tidy. Durable and reliable for steaming vegetables perfectly. High-quality material ensures easy cleaning and maintenance. Compact size offers convenience for small kitchens. List number 4. Steamer Basket. 3rd. Upgrade your cooking with the Pavsurmi Steamer Basket. Perfect for steaming delicious vegetables effortlessly. Its stainless steel build ensures durability and long-lasting use. The extendable handle offers easy handling, even with hot items. Folding and expandable design fits various instant pot sizes from 5.5 to 9. Enjoy healthy meals with this versatile kitchen tool. Advantages: versatile design fits various pot sizes from 5.5 to 9. Extendable handle makes handling hot baskets safe and easy. Stainless steel construction ensures durability and rust resistance. Folding design saves storage space in your kitchen. Ideal for steaming vegetables, preserving nutrients and flavors. List number 5. Surtur Lotus Steamer Basket. Transform your cooking with the Surtur Lotus Steamer Basket. Its folding design saves space in your kitchen. BPA-free silicone ensures safe food preparation. The green kitchenware accessory adds a touch of style. Non-scratch material keeps your cookware in perfect condition. Simplify steaming vegetables, seafood, and more with ease. Advantages: effortless cooking. The Surtur Lotus Steamer Basket simplifies meal prep. Steam vegetables, seafood, or dumplings with ease. Safe for health, made from BPA-free materials, ensuring a non-toxic experience. Kitchen-friendly, non-scratch silicone protects cookware while preserving its quality. Space-saving design, folding feature makes storage convenient in small kitchens. Eco-friendly choice, durable materials ensure long-lasting use, reducing waste.